Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo in Adobe Express. This is a fantastic way to design professional-looking logos for your business or personal projects without needing advanced design skills. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access the design tools. After logging in, you'll be greeted by Adobe Express's main dashboard where all the creative magic happens. Now look for the button that says Start New Design and click on it. From the options that appear, select Custom Size. This gives you full control over the dimensions of your logo, which is important for ensuring it works across different platforms and materials. You can adjust the width and height according to your specific needs. Once you've set your preferred dimensions, click Create New File to begin your design project. With your blank canvas ready, direct your attention to the left panel where you'll find various design tools and options. Click on Templates. Templates are incredibly helpful because they provide professionally designed starting points that you can customize to match your vision. They save time and offer inspiration if you're not sure where to begin. In the upper left corner of your screen, you'll see a search bar. Type logo into this search bar and press Enter on your keyboard. This will filter the templates to show only logo designs, making it much easier to find something that fits your style and purpose. Take a moment to browse through the available logo templates. Adobe Express offers a wide variety of designs ranging from minimalist to bold and colorful. When you find a template that catches your eye and aligns with your brand identity, click on it. The template will load onto your canvas, ready for customization. Now comes the fun part, making this template your own. In the right panel, you'll notice layers representing different elements of your logo design. Click on the specific layer you want to customize or adjust. For example, if you want to rename the text field, simply click on that text layer and type in your new text based on your preferences. This could be your business name, tagline, or any other text you want to include in your logo. If you'd like to change the color of an image element, click on that image in the right panel where the layers are displayed. Once selected, move your attention to the left panel where you'll find a color picker tool. Click on the color picker to choose your preferred color from the palette. You can select from preset colors or create custom shades that perfectly match your brand's color scheme. Want to change the color of additional elements? Simply click another layer in the right panel, then head back to the left panel and use the color picker again to select your desired color. This process allows you to create a cohesive color scheme throughout your entire logo design. And there you have it, you've successfully created a custom logo in Adobe Express by utilizing templates and personalizing them to fit your unique brand. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.